Every coconut journey begins long before it reaches the factory.
Only fully matured coconuts are selected for processing.
Skilled hands ensure safe and precise coconut harvesting. Each coconut is released at the peak of maturity. Harvested coconuts are immediately organized for transport. Initial sorting removes damaged coconuts at the source. Prepared coconuts move onward without delay. On-site transport keeps coconuts intact and fresh. Every movement is controlled to prevent shell damage. The raw coconut supply now leaves the farm. Harvest pauses briefly for consolidation.
Quality control starts at the plantation.
The coconuts are ready for the next stage. From the fields, coconuts now head to the factory. Transport begins immediately after harvest. Distance is covered without delay. Stability protects the product.
Responsibility stays with the driver.
Conditions are anticipated.
Protection is reinforced.
The destination is confirmed.
The coconuts arrive at the heart of industrial processing. Raw coconuts move from agriculture into industry. The facility is designed for continuous coconut flow. Handling begins with precision and care. Each crate is transferred without impact. This is the first contact with the processing line. The coconuts prepare to enter the system. Mechanical flow replaces manual handling.
Human oversight remains essential.
Inside, processing begins immediately. Every section is synchronized for efficiency. The coconuts move forward without interruption. Alignment ensures uniform processing. The cleaning phase is about to begin. Cleaning removes the first layer of contamination.
Water prepares coconuts for food-grade processing.
Foreign material is removed immediately. Human eyes confirm machine results. Uniform size ensures uniform processing.
Only approved coconuts advance.
Moisture is carefully controlled. Surface drying stabilizes the shells.
Coconuts are now ready for processing.
Flow is balanced across the line. Precision begins with timing. The shell will soon be opened. Shell separation is fully mechanized. Alignment ensures clean splits. The transformation has begun. Shells and meat part ways. The edible core advances. Purity is refined. Quality remains human-led. Safety checks are continuous. Precision is measured. Consistency is maintained. Conditions are tightly controlled.
Processing moves stage by stage.
Material flows seamlessly. Infrastructure supports scale. The main process begins now. Texture is transformed. Liquid and solid separate. Pure coconut milk accumulates. Nothing is wasted. Moisture is reduced precisely. Stability is restored. Stability is restored.
Uniformity is achieved. The product takes form.
Automation now governs speed and accuracy. Every piece is digitally inspected. Decisions are executed in milliseconds. Human oversight remains integrated. Systems adapt instantly.
Robotics enhance consistency.
Every motion is repeatable. Vision systems guide precision. Defects are isolated instantly. Technology sustains scale.
Final refinement awaits. Exact weight is mandatory.
Specification drives direction. Appearance matters. Human judgment finalizes texture. Moisture defines shelf life.
Order enables packaging.
Uniform portions are essential. Packaging begins. Protection and presentation follow. Testing confirms safety.
Microbiology ensures safety.
Moisture defines stability. Compliance is mandatory.
Physical consistency is measured. Approval is deliberate. Hygiene is continuous.
The product is cleared. Protection meets presentation. Traceability continues. Units become shipments. Stability is ensured. Identification is clear. Storage begins. Inventory is controlled. Distribution is planned. Outbound logistics align.
The journey continues.
Production is complete.
Scale meets precision.
And this is how modern factories produce coconut from start to finish.
Inside Factories WOW. Subscribe for more manufacturing processes.